Once my sister had it somewhere and then she really liked it, and then she asked mom like, if she could make the same, and then she kind of searched how the recipe is and everything of that sort, and it turned out really well.
Keema, actually, first time when I cooked, I did not have an idea like how I am going to do it, but it turned out okay. Like my daughter liked it.
Whenever my sister comes home on a Sunday or something like that, my mom makes it a point that she makes keema at least for her, and even her husband like Akshay also likes it a lot.
My daughter used to carry it in the tiffin, all her friends used to like got encouraged, like really I am cooking so well. Or now I am putting 2 tablespoons of oil in that. After that I am adding 1 finely chopped onion in that. I mixed it up with oil, let it cook till it becomes brown. Then I am adding finely chopped tomato in that. Let it cook till 1 or 2 minutes. Little haldi powder for the color. 1 spoon of chili powder. Garam masala. Now in this I have roasted 2 onions, 1 tomato, 5-6 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, chili powder, half spoon of haldi powder, garam masala 2 spoons. Also the coriander and few mint leaves. All these ingredients I have grinded on the mixer and kept it ready. Then I am putting salt as per requirement. Mix everything well and then add keema to it. Let it cook till 15 minutes. It's cooked and it is ready.